Level of risk, 10 at 10. No fundamentals. Basically, we're gambling here. Commercial human starflight. We're gonna take $1,000. We're gonna throw it in these different trades. So we made a total of I spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on coaching, from real estate to investments, and I'm always looking for a better side hustle. Real estate's my number one, but I do stocks, I do crypto, so I'm always looking for that next best advice that I can invest my money in. But on this one, we're gonna go with the cheapest advice we can find, and we're gonna throw $1,000 at it and see what type of return we get. Stay tuned to the very end, and we'll show you the return we got off $1,000 and our $20 stock advice. As always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and help a guy out with the algorithm. You know, just smash it 1 or 2 times. I'll do a little Google search for Fiverr. We do a lot of real estate investing. We also have a couple of side hustles that we do. And one of the things that I definitely do is I invest in crypto and stocks on the side. I'm definitely not the expert in what we're doing here. We're gonna go see if we can make money from this advice. Which one should we do? I always look at Fiverr. I go with the top advice. This one's got 5-star reviews, or excuse me, it's got 21 5-star reviews for $5. See what happens. I will provide stock market and IRA investment advice. So my goal is to help as many people as I can with financial decision. So he says that his IRA is providing a 15 to 30% year by year, which is incredible. I mean, I can do that in the real estate market, but not sure on the stock. So standard is $20, or premium's $100. 60-minute one-on-one session in chat or phone to help you go over financial goals and 401k. Access to my weekly watch list. We don't really want a weekly watch list. We want somebody to tell us a stock to invest in.
Back to the computer.
All right, here's one. Here's $20. How about $20? I provide profitable and experienced investments and stock advice. Design a step-by-step advice plan, 3 stocks to turn you into a green. Okay, so this seems like more what we're wanting. Let's just do the basic one. All right, so it's asking me to answer a couple of seller's questions. So what do you know about investing? I am a real estate. Why do you want to invest? Out of 10, how would you describe your risk tolerance? If 10 is risky, I am on 11. Cool. So stay tuned. We're gonna come back in a couple of days, and I'm actually gonna put $1,000 to what this guy's advice is to see if it works.
Several days later.
All right, guys, we're back a week later. He did ask quite a few questions, which is really good. This is gonna be some very risky moves. We're gonna see how it plays out. I have not looked at this yet, so let's take a look. This is the first one. Virgin Galactic, level of risk, 10 of 10, level of return, 8 of 10, short term. Very risky, but high potential, 600 pre-orders, past FAA, no fundamentals. So fundamentals means that it has not bearing on anything. It's literally strictly, basically we're gambling here. We're literally taking money and gambling as we're putting this money in. It's an aerospace company, develops human space flight for private individuals and researches in the United States. Commercial human starflight. So basically we're going to the moon here, literally.
That's one small step for man.
All right, number 2. So this is a little less risky and a little better return. Trading at a very low, cheap level. Life behind Bitcoin, so BTBT, Bit Digital, shows good fundamentals. Wow, so it's really grown over the last 3 years. Could be interesting, so we'll throw a little bit of money in that one. And then Workhorse. So only reason to make money of this one is potential short squeeze, as there is a high short interest and high amount of volume. Basically, this one's been shorted, and we're gonna hopefully take the uptick. So we're gonna take $1,000 and we're gonna throw it in these different trades. And we will get back to you and show you over the next week what ends up happening.
Back to the computer.
I know a little bit about stocks, not a ton. So we're gonna invest in Bit Digital, but it's had a very steady downward trend. So we might be losing our 300 bucks putting it in this, but let's see what happens.
1 week later.
We've been in this trade for about 5 days, and I got online this morning and we're up pretty big for only putting in $1,000 bucks. So we're gonna go ahead and close out all the positions, take the win, and show you exactly what we made. All right, guys, we just closed out our position of BT, Bit Digital Inc. from the guy Life Behind Bitcoin. So BT, Bit Digital. We put in $334 and we made a total return of 71%. Just an incredible trade. Again, a very risky trade, but that's what we were going for on this one. So let's close out the other two. So it looks like the other two are down overall. Total unrealized of $30.90, negative $30.90, and another total unrealized of $14.10. So we're gonna go ahead and close those positions too. So we made a total of $296.10 today, which ended up being a net gain on our positions of $186.39. On a $1,000 investment, we made $186.39 in 5 days. For 20 bucks, I'd say that was well worth it. We ended up making $200 from $20 invested on Fiverr, 20% return in 5 days. Is this normally what happens? Probably not. But this just shows you that some of these guys on Fiverr are super smart. Overall, great idea. The stock, had I invested more, I would have killed it. But also, you never know. So that's why we stuck to $1,000 bucks. If you want to learn more about stock trading, investing of any kind, watch our channel and check out our Instagram.